I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming you have a Google Cloud project with billing enabled because text-to-speech requires it. Once done, enable the text-to-speech API and create a service account, then download the JSON key. You'll use this to authenticate. Next, pick the voice family, language code, and audio encoding such as MP3 for smaller files or WAV for lossless audio. This matters for quality versus file size. Finally, set your local environment variable or authenticate the SDK so you can call the API. Now you generate audio by sending text or SSML to the API. You should split long scripts into segments under the API character limit and use SSML tags to add pauses, adjust pitch, and force pronunciations. This produces natural cadence. Once you pick a voice and speaking rate, batch generate files and import them into your audio editor. Make sure to normalize levels, apply light compression, and remove background noise so voice sits crisply over music or effects. Test transitions to avoid pops between segments. Finally, assemble audio in your video editor and sync it precisely with visuals. Nudge clips and add short fades to mask edits. Export with YouTube-friendly codecs such as H.264 for video and AAC or MP3 for audio, matching your resolution and aspect ratio. When uploading, check loudness and metadata before publishing. If the TTS sounds artificial, go back and tweak SSML timing, change voice model, or insert brief silent gaps and soft breaths to humanize delivery. That single tweak often fixes the biggest.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.